Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook page posts to Google Sheets automatically. So here my objective is that whenever in my Facebook page I'm going to create a new post, then automatically I'm going to capture that post details and automatically I'm going to add those details in my Google Sheet. So for that I have to build a simple connection between Facebook page and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook page. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automatically add Facebook page posts to Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Pabbly Connect. So whenever on my page, I'm going to create a new post, then automatically I'm going to add that post details in my Google Sheet. So I want this to happen automatically. So for that, what I have to do is I have to use Pabbly Connect. And by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a simple connection between my Facebook page and Google Sheet, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So whenever a new post will be created in my Facebook page, then automatically I'm going to capture that post details and automatically I'm going to add those details in my Google Sheet. So for using Pabbly Connect, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook page posts to Google Sheets automatically. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and in this I have this folder of Facebook page. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook page. So I'm going to select Facebook pages here and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new post will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to connect Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I'm going to click on connect with Facebook pages. So here I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser. So it has detected that. So I just need to click on continue and I'm going to click on continue as Michael Karras to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now here I have this tab of Facebook page. So I have to select the Facebook page that I want to use. So for that, what I have to do is I have to go back to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook page and I'm using this Facebook page which is named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have to map my Facebook page. So I have to open this tab and in this tab, I will find all the Facebook pages that are connected with my Facebook account. So here I'm going to search for my page, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this page and now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a new post in my Facebook page. So for that, let me take you back to my Facebook page. And here I'm going to create a new post. So I'm going to click here on this photo/video button. And I'm going to upload my photo. So I'm going to post this image. Now I have to give a message or the caption. So I'm going to type my caption here. So my caption will be use Pabbly Connect to automate all your tasks. And I'm going to create this post. So I'm going to click on post button. And here we can see I have created this new post. And in this post, I have this caption, which is use Pabbly Connect to automate all your tasks. Now I have to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have received this response. So in the response, I have the details of my post. So this is my from ID and this is the name of my page, which is Pabbly Connect. And in this, I have the link of my image that I have posted on my Facebook page. And here I have the message which says use Pabbly Connect to automate all your tasks. We have the post ID, we have the created time and we have the post type, which is photo. So I have posted a photo as my post. I have the photo ID. So we have received all these details of my new post. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details and I'm going to add these Facebook page post details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. So I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I have to click here on connect button. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here and my connection here is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my spreadsheet. So for that, let me take you back to my Google Sheet. In this, I have the spreadsheet which is named as Facebook page posts. And we are in sheet 1 and we have these 5 columns from name, from ID, post type, link and post message. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the spreadsheet, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with your Google Sheet account. So in this, I'm going to use this spreadsheet of Facebook page posts. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have all these columns in my Google Sheet. So I have to fill all these details. So I have received all these details from my Facebook page post response. So I'm going to use all those details and I'm going to map those details here. So for that, I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook pages. And in this, I need the from name. So in this, I'm going to map my page name, which is going to be Pabbly Connect. Now I have to give the from ID. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook pages and this is my from ID. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to give my post type. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook page and I have posted a photo. So this is going to be my post type. So I'm going to map this. Now here I have to give the link of the image that I have posted. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook pages and this is my link of the image. So I'm going to map this. So I have to click here again. I have to open this response again. And here this is my post message. So I'm going to map this. And here I have filled all the required details. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have added all these post details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, I'm going to take you back to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have automatically added this new row in my Google Sheet. So my from name is Pabbly Connect, which is in the name of my page. I have this from ID. I have the post type, which is photo. And this is the link of my post. So I'm going to open this link. And this was the same image that I have posted on my Facebook page. So I'm going to close this. And I have this post message, which is use Pabbly Connect to automate all your tasks. So here we can see that I have added the details of the new post that I have created on my Facebook page and automatically I have captured those details and I have added those details here in my Google Sheet. So whenever I'm going to create a new post in my Facebook page, then automatically I'm going to add those details of the post to my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, I'm going to go back to my Facebook page and here again I'm going to create a new post. So I'm going to click here on this photo/video button and I'm going to upload a new post. So I'm going to upload this photo and here I have to give my message. So my message will be Pabbly Connect : best automation software. Now I'm going to post this. So I'm going to click here on this post button. And here I have created this new post. Now what should happen is that automatically the details of this post should be added in my Google Sheet. Now to check whether we have added the post details in my Google Sheet or not, let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have added this new row in my Google Sheet. So the from name is Pabbly Connect. We have this from ID. We have the post type, which is a photo. And we have this new link. So I'm going to open this link. And we have this image that I have just posted on my Facebook page. Now I'm going to close this. And we have this post message which says Pabbly Connect : best automation software. So these are the details of the new post that I have just created in my Facebook page. And automatically I have added these details in my Google Sheet. So here my connection between Facebook page and Google Sheet is working successfully. So whenever a new post will be created on my Facebook page, then automatically those details of that post will be added in my Google Sheet. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this connection between Facebook pages and Google Sheet. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Facebook pages and my trigger event was new post. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.